It's your day in tech history, and it's brought to you by our friends over at DJI. Get yourself your own drone by going over to geekazine.com/DJI. Jeffrey Powers here. I welcome you to the Day in Tech History, a full rundown of technology history 7 days a week. Subscribe to the show via iTunes, Stitcher, or download right from dayintechhistory.com. Now let's find out what happened on this day, your day in tech history. March 26th. 1975, the IBM Data Processing Division introduced new versions of the IBM System 370 models 158 and 168. 1976, the first annual World Altair Computer Convention was held in Albuquerque, New Mexico. It was the first such convention for the microcomputer industry, and Bill Gates would explain his position on software piracy in the opening address on March 27th. 1999, the CERT Coordination Center receives initial reports that a fast-spreading new Microsoft Word macro virus known as Melissa was out in the wild. And renowned hacker Kevin Mitnick pleads guilty to computer and wire fraud charges. And now this word from our friends over at DJI Technologies. You know you want a drone. You're a techie kind of person. You like to have fun outdoors, and it is getting warmer now. It's kind of like when you were a kid and you got that first RC car, except this one flies. Connect the camera and record around your house. You can go to your park and put together some great videos of your kids playing ball, flying kites, and more. You can even get the ball or the kite's perspective. If you go over to geekazine.com/DJI, geekazine.com/DJI, you can get free shipping on that DJI Phantom 2. It's the one that I have and use all around Madison here. Then go out to the park and have yourself some fun. Geeky fun with DJI Technologies and the Phantom 2 drone. Now let's get back into your day in tech history. 2001, at the Microsoft Windows Hardware Engineering Conference in California, Bill Gates introduced the Tablet PC initiative, featuring a Transmeta Caruso processor, touchscreen interface, MS Notebook handwriting recognition software, on Windows XP for $2,000 to $3,500. Also in 2001, Caldera Systems announced that it would change its name to Caldera International when it had completed the acquisition of the Unix products and services of the Santa Cruz Operation, or SCO. And LSI Logic Corporation announced its intentions to acquire C-Cube Microsystems, a pioneer in video compression and MPEG digital video standards, for $878 million in stock. 2004, version 4.3.5 of the PHP programming language was released. 2005, following a 16-year hiatus, the popular British science fiction series Doctor Who premieres, featuring Christopher Eccleston as the Ninth Doctor. Also in 2005, in the quarter ending on this day, Apple Computer would later report earnings of $290 million, or approximately 34 cents a share, on revenue of $3.24 billion. 2008, Motorola split into two publicly traded companies, one handling handsets and accessories, and the other taking on wireless broadband networks. And AMD ships the triple-core AMD Phenom chip. 2009, John Mellencamp announced the record business had ultimately died. 2011, Paul Barron, who was instrumental for developing the Internet, passed away. And in 2013, Google sends out invites to the Glass Explorer program, and Amazon launched Cloud HSM for hardware security. And that's your day in tech history. My name is Jeffrey Powers, www.dayintechhistory.com. All the show notes are over at wikizine.com, Geekazine's wiki. And of course, you can like the Facebook page and follow Twitter at Day in Tech Hist. Until tomorrow, take care. Day in Tech History is copyright 2015, JMP Enterprise and Geekazine.com.